Did you know that by 2030, AI could add $30 trillion to the global economy? But at what cost to our jobs? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Is AI taking our jobs? Can we do anything about it? Sadly, no, we can't stop it. AI has become increasingly reliable in recent years, but it's still quite young. Most of the AI we use now are narrow AI, and only a few big companies are using general AI. However, things will get really complicated if it reaches super AI. Just imagine Terminator in real life.
Do it! You son of a bitch!
But for now, having AI in our lives really helps us in many ways. It is great especially for consumer as you can access many services anytime. At the same time, people are losing jobs. Elon Musk had warned about the rapid advancement of AI, stating AI is far more dangerous than nukes. On the other hand, Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, believes that AI will ultimately improve billions of lives. So do you agree with Elon Musk or Sundar Pichai? So how AI is changing our jobs? AI has already taken over many jobs such as customer service, car assembly, underground trains, all kinds of mass production, and sadly, junior position in graphic design, admin, programming, and content writing. But not all jobs are at risk yet. Jobs that require unique performance based on scenario are harder for AI to replace for the time being. These include carpenters, chef, live performers, lawyer, building construction, surgeons, nurses, church, leaders, and so on. CEO of Nvidia, Jensen Huang, said that software is eating the world, but AI is going to eat software. Smart people focus on the right thing. It is very clear that AI is going to impact every industry. So while AI may replace some jobs, it also opens up new opportunities. Jobs like data science, machine learning, and robotics are booming. If you're about to graduate from high school, choose your career wisely. If you're already working in an AI replaceable job, see how AI can assist you. If not, learn new skill set and change your career while you can. So how can we use AI to be better at work? Depending on your profession, research how AI can help you with your work. For example, if you're a writer, use AI to draft and research topics. This can increase your productivity from 1 article per day to 5 articles per day. If you're a designer, AI can help you create multiple images or designs per day. CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, once said that generative AI is not a replacement for human creativity, but rather a tool that can augment and enhance it. So AI is not just about replacing our jobs. Think of it as a tool that can amplify your skills. Consider taking online courses. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer comprehensive programs that can help you upskill and stay relevant in the job market.
With over 150 online courses, anyone can build job-relevant AI skills, and so can you on Coursera.
Launch your team into the future faster with Udemy and AI. In minutes, you can create personalized learning programs with the right content from the right courses for the right people.
In conclusion, if you don't change now, you will be left behind and soon be replaced by someone who can use AI. If you still refuse to accept AI, it is understandable because it was also hard for me to accept AI at first. So my advice to you is that learn how to use AI or learn a new skill set that cannot be replaced by AI in your lifetime. Do you think your job is at risk of being replaced by AI? How are you preparing for the changes AI might bring? Let us know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in next video. Bye.